And Borderland Foundation, Borderland Center of Arts, Cultures and Nations. There are two organizations, formally, but in idea and ethos is only one and the same. It's a collective of people who are working on multicultural heritage of this place, which is unique in Poland after the Second World War. I mean, still historically multicultural. Sejny is right now it's only Polish-Lithuanian town. Before it was in the beginning of 20th century about almost 70% of population were Jews. So it was like a shtetl, Jewish shtetl, you know. And I had my friends always, but then I realized what does it mean to be old believer, Russian old believer, to go to the Molenna, to the church, and to have no care here, you know. That's the special things for all believers. Then I got to know what there was that there were a whole German community here, and that I was always playing by the Protestant church, which is empty right now. I realized that there are some traces which are still, covered somehow, and for some of the people are still unknown. By this work most of the basic thing which we do here in the Borderlands Center is educational artistic work with kids, young people. There was one particular moment when I got to know guys who established the center, and when I got into this work, I mean artistic work, educational artistic, when I got to the artistic groups, musical, theater, so it was, it was getting the past somehow, getting into the past of this town, because I started from theater. We did in 1996. We made realized, or jak to się mówi,
You realized.
Drama by Anski, the book, Zwischen zwei Welten, in synagogue. And this space was for me just warehouse before, because it was a warehouse. It was renovated in late 80s. In the former yeshiva building, there was a shoe factory. So I got there parts of leather for proca, nie wiem, jak to jest.
Slingshot, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. And here in this building, which was in the beginning of the century very famous Hebrew gymnasium, there was a post office. So for me it was post office. Then I got completely different background.